If you're looking to reduce ping and lag online games, two names often come up: Gearup Booster and Exitlag. But which one is actually better in 2025? Let's start with compatibility. Gearup supports PC, mobile consoles like PS5 and Xbox, even Steam Deck. Exitlag is limited to PC only, so if you game across multiple devices, Gearup is clearly more versatile. Both offer free trials and support thousands of games, but Gearup gives you a smoother experience with automatic smart routing. Exitlag, on the other hand, uses multi-path optimization but needs a manual server selection, better for advanced users but less beginner-friendly. Now let's talk about performance. In regions like Southeast Asia and the Philippines, gamers report more consistent ping reduction with Gearup, especially for games like FC24 and Call of Duty. Exitlag can sometimes get lower ping in specific cases, but it's been known to crash or require frequent reconfigurations. Gearup also offers unique features like server locking and both lobbies for some games. Exitlag doesn't. Lastly, subscription management matters. Gearup has clearer cancellation options while Exitlag has had reports of billing issues. So if you want stability, broader platform support, and ease of use, Gearup Booster is likely the better choice. But if you're only a PC gamer who wants manual control, Exitlag will still work for you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.